पणजेच्या तालिगांव कम्युनिटी हॉलांत होम फर्निचराचे 4 दीस प्रदर्शन घडोवन हाडलां। घरच्या सजावटीच्या विविध वस्तूंचे प्रदर्शन होम फर्निचरान चालू केलां। लोकांचो ताका उपाट प्रतिसाद लाभला।
घरांक उपेगाक पडपी वस्तू, लाकडी सामान आनी हेर सजावटीच्यो वस्ती तशेंच तरेचे आयटम विकपी स्टॉलां कम्युनिटी हॉलांत प्रदर्शनाक दवरल्यात। वेगवेगळ्या विक्रेत्यांनी आपली स्टॉलां लायल्यात आनी तांकां उपाट प्रतिसादय मेळटा। सोमारा 6 तारखेमेरेन हे प्रदर्शन चालू उरतलें।
This time we have come up with the furniture expo, home furniture expo, mainly during this festival time before Christmas and New Year. We have variety of furniture this time displaying, like sofa sets, bedroom sets, carved furniture, wooden furniture, contemporary furniture, cupboards, variety of designer products for the decoration of your home. So it's a request, please visit the show. It starts from 3rd of December and going till Monday, that is 6th of December, and timings are morning 10 o'clock till evening 8:30, and there is no entry fees. It's a free visit. Please do visit and decorate your home. Choose your furniture of your choice. Please do come and visit the show.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान श्यामचारी।